Hello and welcome to our discussion of so and to today. So these are two words which many students confuse or they struggle to use effectively, and so we're going to spend some time looking at them today to hopefully improve your understanding of them. So we have our example sentences here. I have eaten so much chocolate and I have eaten too much chocolate. So our objective is by the end of this video to have understood the difference between them. Well, the first important piece of information to bear in mind is that both so and to are adverbs. Okay? At least in the capacity that they're being used here, so and to are adverbs. Well, you may be questioning to yourself, what is an adverb? Well, an adverb is anything which describes, or we could say modifies, verbs most commonly, but sometimes also adjectives or other adverbs. So these are the three possible functions, basic functions of adverbs, and so and to are examples of adverbs in English. But if we consider example sentences again, well, what's the difference between these two sentences? Well, in this case, both so and to indicate emphasis. That is, that the amount of chocolate which has been eaten is large, that is, very large. However, with the use of to, there's more meaning added. Not only is the amount of chocolate that's eaten large, to implies some kind of negativity. That is, there's an opinion that's being indicated here, a negative opinion, or in other words, a criticism. And given that the subject of the sentence is I, it's a criticism of oneself and one's own behaviour. So to is used when trying to express negativity, or that there's so much of something that it's a bad thing or has a bad consequence. So can also have that meaning, but it doesn't necessarily have to. It would either be indicated clearly by the context, you would either add more detail to the end of the sentence. For example, you could say, I have eaten so much chocolate that I feel sick. Then the negativity is indicated by the additional information at the end of the sentence. Or perhaps the tone of the person's voice as well could help you to understand additional meaning beyond the actual words that are contained within the sentence. Well, I think that's a good introduction to so and to. I hope that's been helpful, and look forward to seeing you again soon.